Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn to use the extrude, mirror and fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here in the center of this arc will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line here. And the length of the center line is 50 millimeters plus 110 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a line, a construction line. Make a construction line here with 110 millimeters plus 50. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. And go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint here. Now we will create this arc with 50 millimeters of diameter, and we will create this arc here with 30 millimeters of radius. Here is radius 2, and the distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. So go to create, select arc, center point arc, remove the construction line type. Click here in the midpoint. We know that the distance here is 50 millimeters. Make an arc here. And make an arc here with 30 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, select the horizontal, vertical. Select the coincident. Select this point and this point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 50 millimeters. And the distance between this point and the center line is 5 millimeters. And here we have an arc with 8 millimeters of radius. So go to sketch dimension. The distance here 5 millimeters. And go to fillet. Select this two arc, 8 millimeters here. Press OK. Now we will create a line here. And this line here will be horizontal with this one. So select the line, make a line here. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 32 millimeters. And the thickness of this body will have 4 millimeters. So go to extrude, select the type Thin Extrude, the profile, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance 32 millimeters, the thickness 4 millimeters. Make sure that the direction of the wall thickness must be to the outside of this sketch. So in this case will be the side 2 and press OK. And now we will create this profile. So this profile has the same design, but the offset of 8 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face. Go to create, project include, project. Selection filter, select the body, select this body and press OK. And go to offset, select the internal lines here. The distance 8 millimeters and press OK. Now select the line and close this profile here and here. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. We will extrude this 4 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. To make the same in the other side, go to create, select the mirror, the object type, select the features, the object, select this extrude, and the mirror plane, select the front plane and press OK. Now we will create the circle. So the center of the circle is horizontal, vertical with this point here, and it is coincident with this edge, and it is in the center of the right plane. So the diameter 30 millimeters of diameter, and the radius here 40 millimeters, or 40 millimeters, sorry, of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select this face. Press letter P in the keyboard, select the project body, select this body and press OK. Select a circle, find the center of this line, make a circle here with 40 millimeters and create another circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter. And here, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude and we needed to cut this. So the extrusion, 8 millimeters, 4 to this side and 4 to this side, so it will be symmetric. So go to extrude, select this profile. Let me hide this bar a little bit. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, the distance, 8 millimeters, operation join. And press OK. Now we need to make a cut here, so go to extrude, select this face, the extended type all, flip the direction, press OK. Now we need to create the same in the other side, so to create this, go to create and select mirror. The object type, select the body, select this body here. The mirror plane, select the right plane, operation join and press OK. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.